You just sold your body shop and you're trying to figure out what to do with yourself. You're used to working 50, 60, 70 hours a week, and now all of a sudden you find yourself with all this time and you don't know what to do with yourself. Well, a lot of body shop owners think that, oh, I'm just a body shop owner. I've got no other 2.0 or other opportunities. I'm just a body shop owner. I hear that so many times from so many clients that they just don't think they have a lot of value to bring to the table. There are so many opportunities for body shop owners for a 2.0 career if that's something they're looking for after sale. Think about it. A body shop owner, we're great at what? Everything. We wear so many hats. We wash cars the day that the porter doesn't come. We clean toilets the day that the porter doesn't come. We sand bumpers when we're short a painter's helper. We read financials. We are great at customer service. Like there's no hat that a body shop owner cannot wear. I mean, we wear them all. Consequently, there's lots and lots of people looking for former shop owners for different careers. So if you have sold your shop and you are thinking about maybe potentially looking for a position, feel free to give me a call. There's tons of people calling me saying, hey, Laura, do you have a shop owner that's in this area or a shop owner that might be interested in this that's sold? And there's tons of opportunities out there. Plus, I'd love to chat and get to know you. Feel free to give me a call. Laura Gay, 301-399-8675. Consolidation Coach. Thanks. Have a great day.